KimTownselYouTube here. Are you looking for something to control pests like rats and squirrels and rodents and bugs and spiders that doesn't look horrendous? Let's try out this ultrasonic high frequency wave pest control. A molemo ultrasonic mouse repeller. It's supposed to work on squirrels. I don't know what that is. Bugs and spiders. Model UR03. Ultrasonic mouse repeller emits a high frequency sound. Waves that irritate and disorient rodents, making it difficult for them to remain in the area. The device provides an eco-friendly, humane solution for rodent control without using harmful chemicals. It has ultrasound, flashing light, PIR sensor. I don't know what that means. You can use it in the kitchen, the attic, garage, or the basement. Here are some specs on it. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It's quite attractive. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. It has a cord for recharging, and it has remote control. Instructions. And QR codes if you want to use those. Comes with a USB and a C charger. This end is going to go in the top of my anchor outlet extender. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy these. They're awesome. I have them in almost every room of my house. Nice long cable. The C port will go in here. Let it charge. The remote has a little plastic protector to keep the battery from being activated. Remove that. The remote has an off and on button, an LED light button. Number 1 is the test button. Number 2 is the ultra button. 3 is the trans button, and then 4 is the duo button. Very nice and thin. Still working this morning. I've had the device plugged in and operative for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't seen a mouse. But to be honest, I've never seen a mouse in this house, so I can't tell you that it's working for sure. I'm going to actually take this one to school because I teach home ec and I have a 5-kitchen classroom and I don't want mice in there. We actually had a bird fly in this weekend and it was a mess when I got to work today. We had to clean all that mess up. So what to know about this, I charged it up, or I thought I was charging it up, and then when I tried to operate it with the remote control, nothing would happen. And I contacted the vendor and was told that this one has to be in a charger at all times. So it's not going to work unless you have the USB cable plugged in. And I happen to have this anchor outlet that has the USB charging port at the top. If you don't have a device like that, you're going to have to get a little wall outlet thing that will hold the charging port and plug that into your electrical outlet. It's going to have to be near an electrical outlet to work. So that does limit where you're going to be able to put it. But outside of that, it's quite big. The other thing is I had it pulled out further away from the wall here, and my interior camera, it set my interior camera off a couple times, so I had to move it back. I guess it puts out quite the light that's going to trip the camera, or either the camera can hear the noise that you and I are not able to hear. Now that I have this, I'll be able to take it to work tomorrow and just plug it into an electrical outlet, take my remote, and it will be good to go. Thanks so much for my video about this new pest control device. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share this video. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy yourself or someone else one of these. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Until next time, let's just help each other remind all these pests in the world that we are the dominant species. Give time before you go. Watch the video. Thank you very much. Bye.